Okay, 1 minute game. Okay, he accept this time. I'm gonna handle white. Okay, now double 3-3, fine. I am white and he is black, and this is game number 57. Okay, let's go. Double 3-3, subway style. My stones are all on the third line, and one move is at the second line. So the concept of this game should be, I should be good at reduce for his big area. He just decided to choose this Joseki immediately. Okay. If he decided to get the upper side, I'm happy for that. Now white stone is staying there. If I was black, maybe I will not choose this Joseki immediately. Yeah, I'm happy to step at the right hand side. Welcome, smoke. Leather doesn't work, right? You need to have a nice move. Jason, hello, welcome. Okay, somehow this side is not so big enough. I can handle it, yeah. So I like this Joseki decision. Welcome, Benedict. Okay, just answer. Let's see the timing of the reduce. If I don't play, this approach was very painful, so I just need to jump one more time. And if he's keep making larger, then I will invade there. Oh. Okay, I learned from dictionary of the AI. AI is always teaching me I have to move it and settle this area. Let's see. When he plays this and I jump, and then when he has to play this move, yeah, will you play? Okay, I learned from AI many times. Yeah, and then he need to connect, right? And then I can extend here. Then this approach is not so painful. Yeah, and then he has to settle here. Oh, okay, you did it now. Then it's different topic. I also learned it from AI before I had a review for this. When he just plays here, I will, yeah, I will move on here. Then I'm gonna throw these two stones away. But by the way, is it okay or not? Okay, fine. He made them heavier, so now I have to throw this away. Oh, fine. Then, are you sure? Really? You return there? Then okay, I return too. This is a vital point. I can honey go out here. Oh, seems my shape is too heavy. It's not good for me. This hane was pretty painful. Yeah, maybe because of this one. Oh, seems it's not that good. Okay, my shape is also very ugly now. Capturing seems very good. Oh, is it not painful if I push here? Yes, I made a dumpling. Do you want to take it? If you are hungry. Okay. But now suddenly my shape is also not bad. He will extend. Extend, then. You want to tenoki. Fine. Oh, just a hane here. Everything is making sense. Oh. Such a hard decision. I got the upper side, so I have to pay him a little bit here. And just I'm not sure my what is it not mouse miss? Is it really true? Interesting. Tenoki was also making sense. Or I wanted to do something here for Tatsuji, but it might be worse if I just touch and I cannot find out good move. Okay, that's yours. That's yours. He set well. 안녕. Okay. Attack. After setter, I need to attack. Great. Who is that woman? Was she a ghost? Yeah, I saw that. I saw her too. Cut here, really. Cross the line. Somehow I don't really want to accept there. But I couldn't find a good move. Let me just accept a while. Okay. Reduce now. We are breaking opponent to shape each other. Can I use some cool move? Seems like Tetsuji. Not pretty sure, but seems like Tetsuji. Oh, ignore. Fine, then use Tetsuji. Atari? Okay. Save this first. Still not that easy. I break the corner, but his side is also very big. Oh, you are making it bigger. He's using AI. Really? Yeah, still I know I'm not even better. But I'm not exactly sure he's using AI or not. But this move was, yeah. There might be some possibility, I felt that. Now actually his bit defending is also very good. If he's using AI, of course I cannot win. Just I have to try hard. Let's see. Now I think territory balance is not bad, but oh yeah, he started about attacking. Fine. Such a good move. Cutting position is not really good. Now it's not really Seems not that possible to kill this group. If I can't kill this, then of course, I think he might be AI, yeah, because now I think I can feel that. Okay, if I cannot kill this group, then even he just extend here, I think it seems not possible to kill. He may choose this. Okay, ignore, but he will ignore too. That's the problem. Okay, defense there, but still no hoping to capture this group. He is AI, right? Okay, fine. I can feel that. Just now, even the upper side sequence was very perfect. It's really perfectly perfect. Okay, I think somehow it's time to resign. I can't make anything. Oh, today I made AI 8 done. Yeah. Let's see the percentage of the winning. Until here was okay. Oh, I handled well. Yes. Oh, his game result is, yeah, even though they are using their percentages like that, they still might use it. I had experience for that. Until now was okay. Yeah, but this was like yeah, this is like, I don't think this is a mouse miss. I don't think so. Oh, there was no recommendation from Taijim AI. And this was probably slow. That's why the gap was getting bigger. Yeah, I tried to reduce very hard, but now his decision was perfect since that one just now. Yeah. Just I think until, thank you for following me. Yeah, until now was okay, but you know, actually I can say I didn't have any chance to be better. Yeah, even my night move might be very passive. Yeah, I'm not sure what AI will suggest. And if I just search with Katago might recommend better than this Taijim AI. Yeah. Okay, let's review with Katago later. Let me continue. I expected for that anyway. Fine.